it's really giving wet lace, like in real life. Yes. Oh, too good. It's too good. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a completely glueless wig install. The wig will not be needing any hairspray, no gel, no anything. Completely 100% glueless. I wanted to make this video for my girls who don't really like to use the hairspray, the gels. They just want to really throw the wig on and go. That's exactly what we're going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to show you the wig that we're going to be working with today. And yes, this is my company. This is SS Tresses. We specialize in completely glueless wigs. They come customized and pre-styled. These actually are the boxes that I've been working really hard on. These are our custom boxes. This is like more so a token of my appreciation for my customers. I just want you guys to receive something that just shows how much I appreciate your support, that I appreciate you guys purchasing, shopping, and rocking the SS Tresses units. And basically, ooh, stuff is falling out. It just says thank you on the inside. Thank you. There comes business cards. There's also going to be a tag, like a description tag. It'll tell you the length, the texture, the origin, which is written on there. Custom wig caps. And we do have two shade options. We have a darker brown, which is the one that I'm going to be using, as well as a lighter brown one. Okay, so it comes with a thank you card as well. We love that. Something else that comes with the wig is this, or is your edge wrap, as well as the edge brush. Okay, so you have your edge wrap as well as your brush. Last but certainly not least, babes, we got the wig. The box is satin lined, so that your hair is not getting frizzy and all, you know, fuzzy and stuff while it's on the way to you. So this is the wig. This is our deep curly unit. And let's just open her up. This is a closer look at the wig. So it is basically the knots have been bleached. Okay. There is an adjustable elastic band so that you can loosen as well as tighten. And then you can also like undo the strap as well if you want to, that way. There are comb attachments, 3 comb attachments, and then one here at the base. The size is a medium. I'm a size medium, and that tag says that. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And basically, yeah, that's the construction. It is made on a dome mesh cap so that it's a little bit more breathable. The wigs are sized, so when you go on the website, just make sure that you measure the circumference of your head from the front all the way around, and then it'll tell you what your head size is. In addition, with that custom sizing, along with the elastic band and the wig combs, the wig fits very, very snugly because it's made for your specific head size. Okay, so when you go on the website, just you can choose small, medium, large. All the information will be in the description box. This unit is a deep curly unit in 16 inches. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the curls. Just wait till y'all see how it looks on me. Wig. So as far as what I do when it's time for me to customize my wig, so the knots have already been bleached for us, right? So the first thing that I'm gonna do is obviously slick my hair back. For the most part, my hair is looking pretty decent. I'm just using some of the Gots to Be Ultra Glue Gel And I'm going to just apply some too. Okay. Okay. Then you're gonna go on with your stocking cap. Now, I don't really feel like the ball cap method is necessary. You absolutely can do it. And I do have, I believe, another video showing you guys exactly how I do that. I'll link that video. I'll link it right up here for you guys. My other wig install, I do the ball cap method in that video. If you want like to make sure that it's super sleek, super laid, you absolutely can do the ball cap method, but it's honestly, it's not necessary. Like, it's not 100% necessary. Some people don't even, some women I know don't even wear wig caps under their wigs at all. They just put the wig right on top and you don't see anything, you don't, or anything like that. So I'm gonna take my wig cap here and I'm gonna start in the front and pull it back down. Okay, I'm gonna tuck my little plait that I have going on. So I put the cap on my head like so, okay? And now I'm going to, I have a few different products that I have here. I have a powder. This is the Kiss Pressed Powder. This is in the shade Cognac. I'm gonna take some of this powder with a brush and I'm just going to get it everywhere. And now for the wig, baby. So this is the wig, and the lace hasn't been tinted. The knots have been bleached, but the lace hasn't been tinted or anything. So I have a little bit of a lighter side as well as a little bit of a darker side. And I'm going to go in with the cream first, and we're gonna treat this like we're doing makeup. I'm gonna go in with the cream first and I'm gonna set it with the powder so that it doesn't like transfer. Sometimes I don't use powders or creams at all, and I'll just go in and tint my lace using the True Match. It comes with a like brush as well. Sometimes I do that. It just really depends on how I'm feeling. You just want to match the lace as best as you can to your skin tone. We're gonna see what this is looking like before I do anything else, because I don't want it to be like too dark. So yeah, how I put my wigs on, I like to take the band and put it in the back of my head, and then I like to take the closure and put it like on my forehead area and then pull back like so. And then you can lift and adjust. Okay, so that's what this is what we have going on so far. Now this is completely straight out of the box. Okay, all we do is put a little bit of product on the lace. I'm gonna go in with some of the powder on the top. And let me turn around so that you guys can see it from the back. Like, Like, such a great job. This was easy, this was simple. This literally took me like, how many minutes? Like maybe 5 minutes, if that. This is a completely realistic, like, I gotta go, I got some errands to run, I don't have time for all the extra stuff. I just think it looks really, really good. Really shiny, really healthy, like just absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. I'm out the door. I'm running errands, I'm outside, I'm doing things, okay? And my hair is laid. It's completely secure. I don't feel like my wig is about to fly off if the wind blows too hard. Like, baby, she on, okay? For my girls who want a little bit of extra security, instead of wearing the wig gluelessly, you could go in with your glue. If you want to wear glue, you absolutely can. If you want to put hairspray just for that extra hold, you absolutely can. The wig does come with elastic bands. It does come with that. It does come with the edge brush, which has the spatula tip. So if you want to apply your glue, you can use it along your hairline and smooth it with the spatula. If you are interested in this unit, I'm gonna leave all the information for the unit down below. And yeah, if you guys are not already following me on social media, make sure you guys are following me on social media, because I do post a lot of wig tips, wig content, installs, and things like that. So if you're into hair, if you're into wigs, if you're into all of those things, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, as well as TikTok. My name is the same, it's SS Tresses on all platforms. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. I hope that you were able to get an idea of how to install your wig gluelessly and how your wig should be made in order to be able to wear it as a glueless option. Again, please leave your comments down below. Please make sure that you like this video. Please share this video to anyone who you think that it might be helpful for, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.